This is a highly sensitive acousto-optic proximity circuit. As long as an object is close, it will send out sound and light reminders. The effect is very nice. Now, let me tell you how to make this using Ne555 IC. Make a jumper to two 6-pin. The 4-pin and 8 pins are connected together respectively. And then you plug it into a 100 microfarad capacitor. Negative to pin 1, positive to pin 2. Then connect the LED and buzzer parallel. Positive connected to 4-pin and negative to 3-pin. The collector of 8050 transistor is connected to pin 6. Put a 10 kilo ohm resistor between the transistor base and the pin 6. A 100 ohm resistor is connected between the 7-pin and the emitter, and then another 8050 transistor. Emitter connected to pin 8. Collector connected to another transistor base. Take infrared LED and 100 ohms resistor. LED negative is connected in series with a 100 ohm resistor at pin 1. Positive connected to pin 8. The negative of the infrared receiving LED is connected to the pin 8. Positive connected to transistor base. And then plug a 100 kilo ohm resistor between pin 1 of the chip and the transistor base. And now this circuit is completed. Now, we need a 3.7 volt supply to the pin 1 of the IC and the pin 8. And circuits start working. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.